It sounds like a very long morning for everyone on the south side. If you've been under rain and wind since 6 a.m., you are definitely feeling the effects of the active monsoon trough currently sitting over the region. Based on current weather data and local reports for today, Saturday, January 17, 2026, current conditions, as of 1 p.m, weather, heavy overcast with continued periods of rain and localized gusty winds. Wind speed, gusts are reaching between 15 to 20 knots, approximately 28 to 37 kilometers per hour, primarily from the northwest. Visibility, reduced significantly due to the persistent rain, making driving and sea travel around the south side and Ella beach areas hazardous. What to expect for the rest of the day? The wet and windy pattern is expected to linger, though there may be brief pauses in the heavy downpours. Afternoon, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The rain may transition into intermittent showers rather than a constant pour, but the sky will remain overcast. Evening, night, temperatures will drop to around 25 degrees Celsius, and more rain is expected late tonight and into the early hours of Sunday morning. Sea conditions, if you are near the coast, expect rough seas and high swell. The PNG National Weather Service has previously issued warnings for strong northwest winds affecting coastal areas like Port Moresby. Safety tips. Travel. Avoid the hillsides if possible, as the soil is likely saturated, increasing the risk of minor landslides or falling debris. Power. Be prepared for potential feeder outages, as PNG Power has reported that these strong winds often interfere with the grid. Water. Watch for localized flooding in low-lying areas, especially since the rain has been steady for over 7 hours now. Thank you for watching.